Alright, here you go, YouTube, at the bike shop, getting my bike back. They installed the i9 Hydra hubs for me, and it's all done. So I wish I could hold the camera for you guys, and also let me see what I can do. But here's a little crank a little bit, but I'll have to do a full review when I get home. But I am all done. The bike is here. The Family Bike Shop in Crofton, Maryland is who did the installation of my hubs. So if you guys live in Crofton or in the surrounding areas, I would highly recommend this place. It looks nice. They even threw in the caps for my stem valve, which is blue. That's pretty nice. So just a little sneak peek at the green Hydro hubs. I'll explain that later, why they're green, and go from there. Alright, YouTube, this is a Family Bike Shop in Crofton. I'm gonna do a little ride. It's a little bit noisy out here, but let's see how these hubs sound like. I'm gonna try to wait for it to calm down with the traffic, because even though you can hear the nines, the hubs, you know, that sound, the great sound that you guys all want to hear, it does sound a little bit low, but it's fine for me though. It doesn't sound too loud. I know there's different ways you could get the hubs to have louder sound, but it doesn't sound too bad. I think it's just right. Do I feel a difference with the cranks? Not now. Maybe when I get up some technical climbs, I might be able to feel the difference. Right now it feels the same. I would actually have to go out to a trail and see how it performs. Maybe if I'm going up a hill or some type of technical climb, I might be able to tell the difference. But yeah, there we go. A quick test of the i9 hubs. So like I said, the Family Bike Shop in Crofton is where I did the install. Let me know what you guys think too about the hubs. I'll explain that later, but the green on the blue. All right, so I'm gonna get ready to mount this bike up onto my vehicle and get rolling. SeaSucker Talon mount has been a lifesaver. I mean, look at the car that I have. It's just a small sedan on the Accord, and I don't want no big bulky mount on my vehicle. And then I don't have a big like truck or anything like that, so this has been a lifesaver for me. You know, to go to trails and take it to bike shops. It's a huge convenience to having this SeaSucker Talon mount. It's one of my best, I guess, investments for biking, because I'm able to transport my bike from one location to another, and I've had no issues. The only downside I would say, it would be while this mount is on the roof, on the top of your vehicle, because it's the material the car's made out of, it can be flimsy. So sometimes when you're driving it, you can hear like a very annoying sound on the inside, almost like this mount is trying to come off or something like that. But just be patient and just trust it. Everything is fine. But that would be the only thing that I don't like sometimes. If I had like I guess a glass mount or glass roof, that would be great. Also too, the newest thing that I have is this GoPro section. I just recorded some footage, so I'm gonna see how it looks like. It was my first time using it. I do trust it. It stayed with me the whole time. It didn't fall off. So that was pretty good. But yes, my bike is back home now. So I'm just gonna do a few little things to it, and then try to see if I can maybe hit the trails today.